Hello, my name is Teacher Wendy.
Teacher
What
Wendy,
is
okay.
what is your name?
My name is Aarohi.
Hello, Aruji. Am I saying it correct? Aruji.
You are saying correct.
Good, that is good news. And how are you today?
I am fine.
You're fine. And how old are you, Aruji?
I'm 5 years old.
You're 5 years old. And do you live in India?
Yeah.
You do. Okay, that's good. I guessed right. So, I want to say to you, I first want to ask you a little bit about yourself. Have you got brothers and sisters? What do you like to play?
I have sisters, 6 months. It's little.
A baby sister.
Yeah.
You have a little doll to play with.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And you like having a little sister?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Yes, I do. And what do you like doing? Do you like drawing or swimming or skipping? What do you like doing?
I like to swimming.
You like swimming. I like to swim.
I like to swim.
Very good. That's wonderful news. Okay, so I have three things I want you to please listen. Three rules, but it's easy rules. The one is if I'm speaking too fast, say, teacher, slow down, slow. Okay, then I'll speak slowly. And the second one is if you don't know the answer, just say, I don't know. It's okay. I will help you. Okay. And the last one, the most important one, you and I must learn, but we must have fun while we're learning. So we must laugh a lot, we must smile, and we must enjoy our class. Okay. Is that a good rule?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So today our lesson is all about uncertainty. Let's go and find out what that means. Let's go. What do you think is in this dish?
Something curry, I think.
I'm not sure. Let's go and read.
Yeah.
It is called kapsa.
Kapsa, okay. It is called kapsa, a mixed
Mix-
rice dish with meat and organo. Uh, organ.
It is originally.
It is originally from our country.
Well done. Have you tasted kapsa before?
No?
No? Okay. Match the sentence with the picture. You are playing soccer on the home team. So this is you. This is you, home team. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Look at the scores and the time and match the sentence with the picture. There are 2 minutes left. Can you show me where that is on the picture? Yes, that's very good. There are 2 minutes left.
Let's,
And
let's find home. You are playing soccer on the home. Yeah, I found.
okay, so there are 2 minutes left. And now your team is winning by 2 points. Which is your team?
No team. No team means
You're the home team.
home team. Okay, home team means.
So this is the home team. This
Okay.
is your team.
Home team. Home team gets.
And how many points has the home team got?
How many points? Let's
What's this?
1, 2,
5. Well done. Okay, let's go to this one.
Great job! Thank you. Please take this. Do you think it is hot and cold there? Why do you think so?
Hot or cold? Do you think it is hot or cold in this country when you look at this picture?
Okay. This is very hot.
I think it's very hot too. Let's go and see whether we're right.
This is a picture of
Of the
the biggest sand desert
desert?
in the world. In the world.
What's the desert?
Desert means so many sand.
And is there a lot of water in the desert or not?
Not a lot.
There's not a lot of water in the desert at all, no.
It is will different when.
Okay, let's quickly, I'm going to read this. How likely is it?
Okay.
Use the words definitely,
Okay.
probably,
The rain
and
is
possibly to describe what the weather may be like. So it will definitely, 100%, it will definitely rain.
Yes. Rain 100%.
Okay, it will definitely rain. So if we say 75% sunshine, we can say it will,
75 sun.
yes, so we will say it will probably be a nice sunny day.
Is it possible?
I think possibly is that one, 30%. There's a possibility that it might snow.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will definitely rain. It will probably be sunshine. It will possibly snow. And it will definitely not thunder
Yeah.
because it's 0%. So it's definitely not going to thunder. Okay. So definitely if we're 100% sure.
Amazing, wonderful. This is for you. What do you see in the flag? What the name of the flag? I think Chinese flag.
I think this is Arabic that's written on the flag. So what color is the flag?
Green, white.
Green and white. And what do you see? Yeah, what do you think this is? Looks like a
Looks like a big
sword.
knife.
Yes, it looks like a sword. I'm not sure if it is, but it looks like it. And as you said, this is true. This is writing. Very clever that you picked that up.
It is our flag. It has
Arabic
Arabic letters and a sword.
sword. Okay. So have you got any idea where we are yet?
We eat some. First, we choose a day of the week. Number 2, your tutor will pick what things they may don't do
That day.
Okay.
So one thing will definitely be, they will definitely do.
One day think they differently do one thing.
They probably do
Probably do one
thing They
Possibly.
possibly do.
Okay. Possibly.
Possibly.
And one thing they definitely do not do, but uh,
They won't.
uh,
They
they
won't
they will they uh,
tell.
they non tell you which tale is which. Number
Okay.
3. Your
Okay.
jobs is so guess which thing goes where. How many cans you get right? Then
Okay.
number 4. Then it's your turn. Tell your tutor for things you may do the do that day and see if they can guess what you plan to do. Read, go, eat, read,
Ready?
go.
Go to the next slide to get started. So remember, I'm going to tell you four things. One, I definitely do. Two, I probably or possibly do. And one that I definitely do not do. And you must guess. All right.
How will do you know your tutors?
Okay. So I'm going to tell you four things. One is I eat breakfast every morning. One is I take my dog for a walk every day. One is I make supper for my husband every night. And one is I swim across a very big river with crocodiles in every day. Which one do I definitely do?
Okay, so you didn't forget.
Forget. Okay, but I just want you to tell me which one, don't worry about that. Which one do I definitely do every morning?
Every morning at breakfast.
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning. And then I also said every day I swim across a big river with crocodiles in. Do I do that?
Possibly.
Do I do that? Can I?
Definitely not. Definitely not.
Definitely not. Definitely not. You're right. I definitely cannot swim across a river with crocodiles in it.
Yeah.
Okay, and the other one is I make supper for my husband every day.
Okay.
And the other one is I walk my dog every day.
Okay.
Those two come here. Probably and possibly.
Probably.
Okay. Now I want you to tell me four things. Or let's just make it, you can just make me two. Tell me two. You must tell me one that you definitely do every day and one that you definitely don't do every day.
Yeah.
And I'm going to check if I know which one.
Possibly.
Just tell me two things that you do.
Two things. Eat.
Hmm. I eat every day, and one that you definitely don't do. I think that one's true. I think that's
I definitely read.
read every day. Yes, and yes. What else?
Yeah. What else? Mm, Sleeping every day.
Yes, and the fourth one.
Fourth one. Fourth one. I sleep evening. I dancing every day.
Okay. I think you definitely eat every day.
Okay.
And I think you probably read a book every day.
Yeah, okay.
And I think you definitely don't dance every night, the whole night.
Yeah, only morning.
Only in the morning. Okay, well done. That was good. Let's see. Nice job. That's your
Nice
mom.
job.
This is
Thank
for
you so
you.
much. This is for you. It is pets. Let's pets.
Let's fix that balloon. Let's
Fix
fix the
that
balloon.
balloon. Fix that
Well
balloon.
done. Great work. We fixed it. I
Yes,
know I think
bird.
you know where
We
we
fixed
are.
it. I think I know where we are.
Do you know? I think I know where we are. Yeah, all the clues. Can you guess where we
Yeah,
are?
in desert.
In the desert. And which country has got a big desert? Do you know?
Which country?
Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia.
The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh.
Okay. Weird.
Uh,
I don't like this.
Arabic is the official language of Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
In Saudi Arabia, a bottle of water is more expensive
Oh,
than a bottle of oil.
okay.
Wow. Did you know that?
No.
Okay. So you learned something new today.
Let's add 10 to your passport. Yes.
All right, look, here's the camel. This must be it.
Yeah, 10.
There we go. Look, you've been to Kenya, you've been to Turkey, you've been to Spain, you've been to Egypt, been to
I
Brazil,
go to America. America,
you've
my
been to America, you've been to Mexico, you've been all over.
I am only go to America. Thank you for your help. See you next time.
See you next time. Thank you for your help. See you next time. See you again. Bye.
Bye.
Be good. Bye.
Bye.